Multiplication tricks part 3. Trick number 7. Multiplication two-digit numbers, tens places are same in both numbers and sum of unit places are 10. Multiply 78 by 72. Here tens places are same, 7 and 7, and 8 plus 2 unit places 8 and 2, sum of unit places are 10. This multiplication is a two-step process multiplication. So step number 1. Step 1. Multiply unit places. Here unit places are 8 and 2. So 8 to the 16. Write down 16. Step number 2. Multiply tens place number by tens place number plus 1. That is tens place number is 7. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So 7 into 8 is equal to 56. Write down 56. And so the answer is 5616. Trick number 8. Multiplication of two-digit numbers, unit places are same and sum of tens places are 10. Multiply 62 by 42. Here unit places are same, 2 and 2, and tens places are 6 and 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now we have to multiply unit places. 2 into 2, that is 4, and write down two digits, that means 04. Step 2. Multiply tens place digits plus unit place digit, that is 6 4 ja 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. So write down 26. So answer is 2604. Trick number 9. Multiplication four-digit numbers. Here steps are vertical multiplication, cross multiplication and addition. We start from left side and then we will proceed to right. So first we take 1 and 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. There is no carry, so write down 1. Now take 2 pair, that means 4 digits from left. Here 1 into 4, that means 4, and 1 into 3, that means 3, and plus, that means 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So write down 7. Now take 3 pair, that means 6 digits. Now multiply cross multiplication and vertical multiplication and addition. Now 6 1 ja 6 plus 4 1 ja 4, that means 10, plus 3 4 ja 12, that means 22. Now 2 is, we write down 2 and carry is 2. Now take 4 pair, that means 8 digits. 2 1 ja 2, 5 1 ja 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now 3 6 ja 18, 4 4 ja 16. 18 plus 16 is equal to 34. 34 plus 7 is equal to 41. So write down 1 and 4 carry. Now take 3 pair, that means 6 digits. 3 2 ja 6, 5 4 ja 20. 6 plus 20 is equal to 26. Now 4 6 ja vertically, 4 6 ja 24. Now 26 plus 24 is equal to 50. So write down 0 and 5 carry. Now take 2 pair, that means 4 digits. 4 2 ja 8, 5 6 ja 30. 30 plus 8, 38. So write down 8 and carry 3. Now take 1 pair, that means 2 digit. 5 2 ja 10. So write down 0 and 1 carry. Now adding from left side. 1, here 1, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 0, 3, 8 plus 1, 9 and 0. So the result is 19,66,390. Thank you.